In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps running in the background to make your Android device faster and save on battery. So let's go to our settings. And then we want to go to About Phone, tap on that, and then go to Build Number and tap it for 7 times. You have to enter your PIN. And now you have entered developer mode. So what you want to do is to go back, go to System, tap on Advanced, and then the option comes up, the developer options. So tap on that, and from here you want to go to running services, and in this page you could see the applications that are running in the background. So you want to just select which application you want to stop. For example, this one, I could stop this. Be careful that you don't stop processes that are made by Google, because this could adversely affect your device performance. And that is how you stop apps from running in the background to make your Android device faster and save on battery. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.